How to upgrade the Narva 7-inch LED headlamp insert on a Jeep Wrangler. Refer to the vehicle's handbook and make sure the vehicle is turned off. Before commencing any electrical work, remove the battery's negative terminal. Open the bonnet and remove the 6 plastic screws holding the grille in place. Carefully bring the grille forward and twist out the indicator globes. Now unclip the grille and remove. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the headlight in. Remove the chrome surround while ensuring the headlight does not fall out. Unplug the headlight and remove. Test the position globe connector to find the positive and negative wires. Positive wires should read 12 volts plus. Cut off and remove the position connector. Strip the wires. Cut off the position globe connector from the original loom. Splice the original position globe loom into the wires from the LED lamp. Heat shrink cable joiners make this an easy job. Use a heat gun to melt the heat shrink. Cover the cable joiners with PVC tape for a neat finish. Connect the H4 connector and position connector from the lamp to the vehicle harness. Make sure to check the new Narva 7-inch LED headlamp inserts are working correctly and screw back into place. Twist the indicator globes back into the grille. Place the grille back into position and pop the plastic screws back in. After installing the LED headlights, test the lights and adjust the beam if necessary.